Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by pulling down to see the current control center so you know what to change. Next, open Settings, go to Notifications and Control Center, and enable the control center if it isn't on. Once enabled, tap the Customize or Manage Toggles entry. This is the first actionable place to add, remove, or reorder tiles. Make sure your phone is unlocked and connected to power if battery-saving restrictions block settings changes. Now you'll edit the layout. Tap Edit or Customize to reveal active and available tiles. Drag a tile from Available into the active area to add it, and drag within Active to change position for faster access. If a tile supports advanced settings, long press to open its options. This lets you set defaults like brightness presets or data controls. Once done, make sure the arrangement matches how you use the phone so common controls are reachable with one hand. Finish by tapping Save or simply backing out to apply your changes, then swipe down to test the updated control center and verify each toggle works. If a tile doesn't appear or acts oddly, restart the phone and check app permissions or MIUI updates that may affect system widgets. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear settings cache or reset control center defaults if layout changes fail. This usually restores functionality without losing other preferences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.